If you are editing videos, working on your color grading showreel, or building your YouTube channel like me, you are going to want to check this out. Today, I am unveiling two brand new plugins from Motion VFX that can seriously level up your work. The team of Motion VFX has put a ton of effort into creating something truly unique, and if you end up loving these plugins as much as I do, you can use my exclusive promo code KASHA10 to get 10% off all Motion VFX plugins. You can find a link to it below this video. And now, let's jump straight into the plugins and let's see what they can do. And we'll start from the plugin called mHowTo. This plugin contains 77 unique elements for DaVinci Resolve and the Final Cut. They are advertised as especially helpful for tutorial and explainer videos, but as you will be able to see in a second, they are also perfect for those who want to spice up their video and color grading showreels. So let's get straight to it. Once you have your mHowTo plugin installed, you'll be able to easily find it in your toolbox. So I would just type it in, and this way I get an access to all of my how-to elements. And let's start from the camera movements. Let's select the first clip on our timeline, and let's preview some of the movements here. This is, for example, the camera pan. This is the camera shake. Then we have the flash zoom, that's one of my favorites. So I'll drag and drop this one onto my clip, and let's play it. Just look how cool it is. So here I want to customize it a bit, as I am not fully satisfied with the zoom. I would just reposition it over here, so it ends on the head, and this is the result. Then we have, for example, the multiple zoom, which is great too, as it automatically adds that interesting movement to any boring and static shot. Now let's move to the placeholders that I am sure you have seen multiple times in YouTube videos. A lot of YouTubers use them to stay on the screen during the tutorials. And now we have here something special. 3 different split screens that you can also use for your color grading showreels to show before and afters. Let me show you exactly how to use it, as this effect requires the fusion composition, but don't worry, it is extremely simple. So if you want to use our split screen, all we need to do is to pick 2 clips and place them on top of each other like this. Then let's highlight them both and let's right click and create the fusion clip. And then we can also right click on our clip and we can open it in timeline in case we want to modify our clips or move them around like this. But let's go back and let's drop our split screen onto our clips. And this is the result. And we can change the text here as well. Then the mHowTo underlight is another really cool effect. This is how it looks. Then we have a bunch of different add-ons, animated arrows and callouts. The progress bar is also really cool. Or this recording doodle. Then we have different subscribe buttons, or the viewfinder. Next we have different backgrounds you can try as well. Then we have different placeholders, logo animations. This one is really cool. Then in the same pack we have a lot of typography and also some great animated titles. And lastly, we do have some completely new creative transitions. They're really unique and I will be using them for sure. So let's see another one, and another one, and another one. And now let's maybe move to these 2 clips. They're really great. And now the next Motion VFX pack I would love to show you is called MTuber 4. This is the newest MTuber pack with 72 tools, mostly for the YouTubers, but again, not only YouTubers. And here we have some unique camera movements. Let's try this bulge, for example. Then we have this grain overlay in case someone needs it. Next we have here more placeholders and more animated backgrounds. Then we have fully customizable logo animations, and let me show you this one as I think it's really cool. So I will just drop it onto my timeline, and then I will simply replace it with DaVinci Resolve logo. This is cool. And then I will also get rid of the glow over here. So now it looks like this. And then we have here a few more logo animations. Then we have some captions and titles. And lastly, we have another batch of great transitions. So let me show you a few of them. This is the flash. Then we have a screen close-up. Then we have a switch. This one is really cool. Then we have swoosh. And then we have the tiles swap. There's a reason why I so often advertise motion VFX. These plugins are the best on the market and definitely worth their price. So if you like them too, please use my promo code KASIA10 and my affiliate link below this video.